Good morning, dear children. Today, let us study about File Explorer, where we can save the documents and instructions or any file we can save. So, to save that all files, one app is required, one application is required, right? So, for that purpose, here we'll see which file or which app is used for saving that particular files. So, File Explorer is the program that lets you to view, create, copy, move, rename, delete and search files and folders easily. So to open that, first step is to click on the start button. Right here, start button. Here you can search File Explorer, or else here you type File Explorer. Okay. This yellow color icon which you are able to see, that is called File Explorer. Right? Even it is there on your taskbar. This whole thing it is called taskbar. And here also you can see the icon of File Explorer. And even in start button also, if you search it out, you'll get File Explorer. Just tap it on. Yes. So you will get this File Explorer screen. Now, here, what is there in this File Explorer, we will discuss first. So, the File Explorer window, it is displayed now as it is shown. And here, you have some of the parts. So, first part is ribbon. This is called ribbon. Okay, this top part, this whole part, where ribbon is having file, home, share, view. So this whole part is called ribbon. Next one, quick access view. This whole part, this is called quick access view. Means in quick access, we are able to see the desktop, downloads, documents, pictures, this PC, camera, CT2SU. Okay, OneDrive, this PC network. This all will be coming under quick access. So mainly there are three parts of this File Explorer. First one is ribbon. So what things are there in ribbon? Ribbon is a part of File Explorer which is having file, home share, and view. Next part is quick access. So quick access, it is also the next part of this File Explorer. Coming to the next one, that is the folders. Here you have many folders. Yes, these are some of the folders, documents, okay, pictures, where you can create the file, copy, paste or move file from one file to another, right? So first let us see the parts of File Explorer. So this File Explorer has windows as following. This is called ribbon. So ribbon of the File Explorer usually has 4 tabs. We have 4 tabs in the ribbon part, where it is having file, home, share and view. So these options, these tabs let you create the new folders. They also let you to copy, move, paste, rename and delete the folders. I'll show you how to use that. Okay, file. So if in file we can use many options. Open new file. Okay. So this is what uh, open means, whichever files you have in this quick access, that everything will open. Next, home. So what is there in home? Here home is having again toolbar. Using this you can delete or copy or move that document from one folder to another, right? And again share. Share is also having toolbar where it is having many options. Next, view. Okay, that we will study later. Before that, first we will see only the parts of File Explorer. First one we have seen, that is ribbon. Okay, ribbon consists of file, home, share and view. Next one, navigation and address bar. Here you can see navigation and address bar, where here right. So after ribbon, the navigation bar is there on the screen. This is called navigation bar. From here to here. So what is this navigation bar and address bar? So using navigation bar, you can move previously open folder using this back button. Okay. Using this back button, you can move that previously used any document. Or you can use this forward button also. Here you can see the forward button. This one, forward button. Right. Next one, again you have, if you want to if you want to use it forward button or move back the current folder, you have used the back button. Now here you have address bar, right? See, I'll click on the back button, right? See here it is showing. Then if you want to move to the same, then you will use this button, forward button, right? Then again, if you want to see the previously used folders, then you can use this back button. Yeah, and this is forward button. Now here it is what address bar. Address bar in a sense, whichever folder you are opening, that particular folder will open, right? So if you click on the unit test, this is what the quick access which will be displayed on this address bar. So this address bar is showing now unit test 1. So unit test 1 is having these all folders, right? So that unit test 1 is addressed in this address bar. This is called address bar. Next one, search box. Yes. Again, if you want to search anything in the unit test, here unit test, if you have many documents here in this unit test, but you are unable to search it by scrolling the button, so that for that purpose you can use here search bar. Okay, in search bar I'll type standard 3, right, and enter it, so that here you will get yellowish color shaded one. So which standard you want, you can select here. I have selected standard 3. I have typed in search box that is standard 3, so it is showing here standard 3. If you click on that, you will get that particular document. Okay, so like this you can use that address bar and search bar or the search box to search out particular document. Here I'll go back by using back button. Next one, this PC. So in quick access you have this PC option. So this PC, when you tap it, you are able to see some of the contents of the hard disk. These are the contents of what? Hard disk or any external storage. External storage in a sense, uh, if you connect any pen drive or any musical microphones, that it will be showing on this screen. And here one of the important thing you all should remember, these hard disk is divided into many, that is like C drive, okay, C drive, and D drive, DVD. Okay. Now for time being, you just see here is showing C drive. Okay. These all will be seen in this PC. Now let us see working with this file explorer. So after having learned about different parts of file explorer, that is, this is ribbon, address bar, search box, and quick access. Quick access is having these many options, and this PC is having some of the hard disk which is denoted by C drive, D drive, or DVD. and even the USB. Okay, so here now in working in File Explorer, we have many options where we can create the new folder, we can copy the file, we can move the file, we can delete the file, we can store the file, or even we can rename the file. Okay, first one we will see how to create the new folder. So for that purpose, first one here we will go in home button. Okay, from the ribbon home. Now yes, now we will see how to create the new folder. Okay, so for that purpose, here first click on the home tab. Okay, so in home tab you can see new folder button. Here new folder button, just tap on it. Yeah, here you will get new folder. So I will give some name for that. I will give assignment, right? Assignment I have given, just enter. Yeah, you got new folder which is created and appears inside the schoolwork. Okay, I'll go back, I'll show you. First here I'll go document. In that document I have school work folder. In that folder I just tap on it. Yeah, in that folder you have assignment. Assignment folder which is newly created and it appears in the school work folder. In this manner you can create the new folder. Once again I'll show you. Just go in home tab, new folder, and right here we will write worksheet. Okay, worksheet. Just enter it. So in school work folder, in the school work folder, you have two files, that is assignment and worksheet, where you can save all assignments in assignment folder and all worksheets in worksheet folder. So this is what creating new folder. Okay. Next one, copying file or the folder. For this we have to give commands. How to give commands? So again, go to the home tab, then click on the copy button. First select it. So how to copy particular this one file or folder. So we have the schoolwork. Again in schoolwork we have files like assignments and worksheet. So we'll go in assignment first. So in assignment I have one of the video of English subject, right? Now what you have to do here is just go to home tab, okay, and so after coming to this particular file, go to home tab, then copy option you select it. Then if you want to paste it in worksheet, there you can paste it. Again go to home, then paste option you select. It will be pasted in the uh, worksheet file. So in this manner you can copy and paste the particular files or folders whichever you are required with that, right?